To do the disassembly and assembly, got this kit from Radio Shack. Has small bits. Takes a Phillips 00 and a Torx T6. I've made a battery pack, 5 AA batteries, 2 leads coming off. You can see here on the finger where the contacts are. We're going to hook power to it. See that the motor turns, but the finger doesn't move. We're going to remove these 2 screws to take the fingertip off. Once these 2 screws are removed, you pull the fingertip off. It's just straightforward. You can bend this and it'll undo the cord. Now we're going to remove these 2 screws. The finger has this keeper, metal keeper right there. Just go down on an angle with it. It'll come off of that. And that lifts off. Now we just have one more part to undo so that we have wire clearance. And that's pulling this knuckle cover, we'll call it. I use a clamp to hold the body of it. We pry those 2 pieces away from that bar and they'll slide off. The reason we did that, we have to pull these wires out of these keepers to give it room for that motor to come up. And if you look here, see how you got that space right in here between the motor? That's the problem. The motor's backed out of the housing. Here we have it back in the clamp to help hold it. Just gently take the wires, pull it out of that keeper there. And we're going to do the same on the other side. Gotta love a spinning wrist. Once that's off, since the motor's already migrated back, just gently lift on it. You want to be careful not to tilt it because we have all the small parts inside. Is what we're going to get to next. Okay, now we're looking directly down from where the motor came out, and you'll notice that it's got 3 gears right here. We're going to remove those. What this basically has is a stack of 3 sets of these gears. It's the bottom set of gears that's come off their pins, and we'll just have to reinstall them, reassemble it, and then the finger will work again. You can see those 3 gears inside there. Toothpick with some upward pressure work best on that. Tweezers, whichever works for you. We have the first set of gears. I'll pull it out. I can't see it, but there's a washer on this side of it. It acts as a bearing in between them. Just going to leave it on there. Trust me that it's there. Anyway, here's our next set of gears. Gonna remove those, whatever's easier, toothpick, tweezers. I like a toothpick. Now here's the root of the problem. Look down in there, you'll see that those gears are all out of place. You can see how these gears have a shaft with them. Your first row. The other gears do not. So like I said, the shaft is on the top side. Each other gear housing, we'll call it. Now to move this, you can see the bearing. When I lift it, it goes in between. So as each set spins, it acts as a bearing in between them. Here's a size comparison of what we're dealing with here next to a penny.